Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to block spam calls on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now scroll down apps until you get to the phone app. So just keep scrolling and click on phone. Under the phone app, locate and turn on silence unknown callers. On iOS 26, scroll down, come to where you say call from unknown numbers. Turn on screen incoming calls. Turn on move to unknown callers. Once you have these two features turned on, then you are good. These two features are only available on iOS 26. On iOS 18, all you simply need to do is turn on silent unknown callers, and this is going to help you to block or stop spam calls on your iPhone. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.